Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to do this very glamorous, kind of dramatic smoky eyes, but this one is so beautiful and so easy to do. So to begin, I'm going to use the Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. I'm going to spread it out all over the eyelid using a concealer brush. This is one of my favorite products from such a long time already, and I really like this eyeshadow base. For me, is one of the best ever, so I really like this one. I also like the shadow base from Pillowies, or even the concealer prolonger by MAC works so well. And in this case, if you don't have any good eyeshadow base, any concealer will work. Also, I really love the eyeshadow base prime by Sigma Beauty. And now I'm gonna start off with the eyeshadows. So I'm gonna be careful using the matte eyeshadows because they're very pigmented. And I'm gonna start the smoky eye from the darkest color. So I'm gonna use this deep wine shade, which is so beautiful, and I'm gonna add a little bit of time in the outer corner of my eyes. And to add this eyeshadow, I'm gonna use a fluffy brush so I can add the color and blend the edges at the same time, as you can see here. And now to focus the color in the roots of my lashes, I'm gonna change the brush for a sharp shader brush, and this is a small brush by the way. So I'm gonna apply this color in the roots of my upper lashes and also in the lower lash line. Now I'm going to use a reddish color to be my transition shade, and I'm going to apply this eyeshadow using a smaller blending brush because I don't want to have this eyeshadow too far up in my eyelid. But here, if you don't like a reddish eyeshadow, you can change for a brown, for example. Or any neutral eyeshadow will work just fine. So I'm going to apply this eyeshadow into my crease, as you can see here, and also in the lower lash line to smudge it out. Next, I'm gonna apply a very beautiful shimmery eyeshadow by Melt Cosmetics, and this is the shade She's in Parties. Is amazing. I really love this color, that's why I wanted to use it today. I'm gonna apply just a little bit because I wanna give space to the next eyeshadow that I'm gonna use. Today I chose a gold, but you can use any shimmery eyeshadow that you want for highlights. Even a champagne shade will be so beautiful right here. So now I'm gonna use the Dream palette by Sigma Beauty. I love this palette, and I'm gonna apply this light gold shade just to highlight the inner third of my eyelid. And to apply, I'm gonna use a normal eyeshadow brush, as you can see here. Now to highlight the tear duct area, I'm gonna use a cream eyeshadow from the palette, and this is a matte eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply using a smaller blending brush. All the brushes that I'm using are from sigmabeauty.com, and also this palette, which is amazing. So you can use my code MelissaSB for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com. So I just applied my fake lashes by Velour, and now I'm gonna start off my skin. So to begin, I'm gonna use a setting spray. This is Slay All Day by George Cosmetics. You can use my code MelissaGC for 30% off in georgecosmetics.com. And now I'm gonna apply my foundation. You can use a primer in case you're interested. But today, as I'm doing this video just for you guys, I'm not going to use this makeup look. So I'm gonna apply my foundation directly in my skin. And today I'm gonna use All Nighter by Urban Decay. I'm gonna apply this foundation all over my face, neck and chest with a damp beauty blender so I can blend this foundation really well into my skin. And I have a very good airbrush effect in my skin, looking so natural at the same time. This is the 3D HD blender by Sigma. I really love this beauty blender, but you can use any blender that you want. And next I'm gonna apply a concealer. Today I'm using a full coverage concealer. This is by Focalure. So I'm gonna apply a little bit under my eyes, and also not just to correct the imperfections, I'm gonna use this concealer to highlight the center of my face. Next, I want to do one of my favorite techniques for makeup, and I'm gonna contour my face using powder, but before I set my skin. So I'm gonna use the Sculpt palette by Sigma Beauty, which is my favorite. I really love the formula of this product, and I'm gonna use these two shades to contour, and a very big fluffy brush, as you can see here, and I'm gonna add this product in my skin a little at a time, blending really well but without push the product in my skin. I'm gonna just doing like this, as you can see here, dabbing a little to make the powder product stick in my foundation, creating the shadow that I need. And to blend even more, I'm gonna just use the same blender as before and dab right on top. So I'm gonna do the same thing in the other side. Next, using this poly duster brush, I'm gonna use the blush palette by Sigma, and I'm gonna mix these two shades together to apply in the apples of my cheeks and blend it out. Now again, using the Sculpt palette, I'm gonna use the lightest shade from this palette to highlight my face, and I'm gonna apply in the highest points. So to apply this highlighter, I'm gonna use the high cheekbone brush, also by Sigma. I really like this brush to apply highlighter, especially when I want to create a natural effect, because it focuses the product exactly where I want it to be, and then I can just blend it out. And now that I got these effects that I wanted, I'm gonna just set my face using a translucent powder and the same is Poly Duster brush by Sigma. I love this brush because I can do many things with it, and I can even apply the highlighter in a very natural way. So as you can see here, I'm gonna just remove the excess product from the brush, and also I'm gonna set my whole face, neck and chest using this brush. But if you want to do the baking effect, you can apply using a damp beauty blender and focus the product exactly where you want it to be. It also works so well. And now to finish off this makeup look, I'm gonna do my lips. So today I'm gonna use a dark red lipstick. I'm gonna use Dark Home by Melt Cosmetics and also Melt Cosmetics lip liner. I don't remember the name of this lip liner, but I'm gonna link down below for you guys. But with this makeup look, you can use many different options, as a pinkish lipstick, a nude lipstick, or just a lip gloss in case you're interested. Like if you don't like too much product in your lips. I decided to apply a deep red because everything is too dark in this makeup look and I really like it, but at the same time I can balance the look, as you can see here, creating a dramatic look but yet a little soft, not so heavy, as you can see. So this is how I finished this makeup tutorial. I really hope that you like it. I love how the look turned out. I think it's perfect for winter. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, comment down below what you think about this makeup look and also what you want to see next here in my channel. Spread this video to your friends and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye, take care.